Hi, I'm John Chan, the Senior Lab Manager here at Reviewed, and today we're going to be reviewing the Ecovacs Deebot N10 Plus. About the Ecovacs N10 Plus. It weighs about 8 pounds. Dimension-wise, it's 13.7 inches wide and 3.6 inches tall. It has 3,800 pascals for suction power, and it uses LiDAR as navigational technology. So the N10 Plus is a robot vacuum mop hybrid, which means it can mop with a water tank on its back, and it also can vacuum up debris. It's also a self-emptying robot vacuum, so when it finishes its cycle, it rides up to its dock, and all the contents of its dustbin gets emptied into a self-sealing bag in the dock. The N10 Plus is also part of Ecovacs' Osmo Family, meaning it has a detachable mop attachment on the back. Here are some things that we like about the N10 Plus. First off, it's a pretty good vacuum. During our cleaning test, it picked up around 10 grams of debris per cleaning run, which places it in the same cleaning tier as the iRobot J7 Plus, which is our current favorite robot vacuum. The N10 Plus is also really good at getting over obstacles and underneath them. During testing, it was able to climb a 2/3 inch riser, which represents uneven flooring and large thresholds in your house. It was also able to get underneath shelves up to 4 inches tall. So the N10 Plus offers a lot of modern conveniences, including the fact that it self-empties. As we said before, that dirt bag that's self-sealing can hold up to 2 months worth of dust and debris. It also has a relatively good app. Ecovacs has always been on the forefront of good smart technology. You're able to start, stop, and schedule your N10 Plus from the power of your phone, and it's also Alexa and Google Home compatible. During testing, we also found that the N10 Plus is good for pet owners. The brush head has an anti-tangle design, so you don't have to worry about getting on your hands and knees and cutting out tangled up hair or clogging. It also has an E11 HEPA filter, so it helps cut down on odors as well. Here are some things that we didn't like about the N10 Plus. This device requires a bit of forethought. You can't just have the mop attachment on all the time. We found that it gets caught on throw rugs and on power cables and things like that. So you need to decide whether or not you're mopping or vacuuming. We also think that because the dock is so tall, you're gonna have to think about where you're gonna be able to store this in your house. It just can't go anywhere willy-nilly. You need to decide where you're gonna store this robot vacuum. And those two things combined, you don't necessarily want to do a lot of planning with an automated floor cleaner. Another thing that we didn't like about the N10 Plus was its mopping capabilities. This mop is really designed for maintaining your floors between manual cleanings. It's on par with other robot vacuums in its price range. However, even within Ecovacs' own lineup, it gets way better with its scrubbing abilities if you go to, let's say, the T10 or the X1. So we think that if you're going to get this robot vacuum, you should be focusing on the vacuum part over the mop part. Overall, the pros are, this vacuum has good dirt pickup, it offers plenty of modern conveniences, and this is a good robot vacuum for pet owners. While the cons are, it requires too much forethought, and the mop attachment isn't that great. So should you buy the Ecovacs Deebot N10 Plus? We think so. It is a relatively affordable robot vacuum for pet owners. We like the fact that it's self-emptying and it seals all of the detritus into a self-sealing bag, so you never need to smell or see anything unpleasant. So at around $500, we think the N10 Plus is a great value for pet owners and robot vacuum enthusiasts in general. For the full review and for other robot vacuum cleaner reviews, head over to reviewed.com.